India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in the engineering and manufacturing sector, CTS offers the trade of mechanic machine tool maintenance, from workshops and production units to industries, tool rooms, and advanced manufacturing setups. Skilled machine tool maintenance mechanics play a vital role in keeping machines accurate, efficient, and safely running every day. In this 2-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, machine tools, measuring instruments, and real workshop environments. Students learn installation, inspection, repair, and maintenance of machine tools, fitting and assembly work, lubrication systems, alignment and calibration, basic hydraulics and pneumatics, fault detection, safety procedures, and practical troubleshooting through industry-relevant tools and workshop-based training. Trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across construction companies, hotels, smart city projects, industrial facilities, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow,